Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking garage door openers, and we got a very quick and friendly DIY project today. We're going to show you how to properly remove or replace your old battery to insert a new battery. Let's go out to the garage and get started. Outside the garage now, and the lights are currently on. Got our awesome Raptor in the garage, and what I'm going to do, turn off the light and go quickly. Make sure your ladder is stationary and reliable, and because of your motion, your light will most likely turn back on. But step one, we need to cut all electrical power to the garage door opener. And from here, I hopped off the ladder, repositioned the ladder to the opposite side. The most common position of the actual battery is on the right side of the garage door opener if you're looking out of the garage. Let's go ahead and hop up. And the case right here, now that you're on the ladder, be very careful as you pull this case open or lens cap off. Do your best not to fall off the ladder or lose balance. And right here, you'll notice a Phillips screw. We need to remove that screw to remove this cover plate to gain access to the battery. All right, grab the Phillips screwdriver. And as you remove this screw, do your best not to strip the screw. You do not want to strip the screw because it will be tough to screw back in and remove. Go ahead and remove the entire screw. Once you get that screw all the way out, you can remove this cover plate as well. And try not to drop it. It is plastic. It's a long way down. You don't want this cover plate to crack. And I'll hop off the ladder, set this in a safe location, and there is the battery. Down off the ladder, and I've positioned the screwdriver and cover plate on the top bed of the truck. Back up the ladder, and it's very important to know which wires go where and what they connect to. The black wire connects to the black square terminal, and the red wire connects to the red terminal. From here, let's go ahead and disconnect the black, and next disconnect the red, and carefully move these wires in a way where you can pull the battery out. And there's the battery right here. And here's a close-up of the battery itself. Again, we have a Chamberlain brand garage door opener. This is a non-spillable battery and must be recycled once you replace it. And here is a DIY website, which is cool, and the 1-800 number. Top portion of the battery, again, left side red square that indicates the red positive terminal lead for the red wire to connect to. Opposite side, the black square is for your negative power lead and negative black wire. On the back side of the battery, all sorts of helpful information, the charging instructions, the caution items, transportation, and warning items as well. You want to grab your new battery and install it. Back up on the ladder, and this is a tricky part, will require both hands. You want to carefully position the wires to the side, and with the other hand, insert the battery properly with the red square on the bottom and the black square on top. And from here, we will reconnect the red positive wire to the red connection lead and the black wire to the black connection lead. From here, carefully position the wires inside, and we will go grab the cover plate and re-secure it with the Phillips screw. Grab the cover plate back up on the ladder, and the cover plate has a little lip here. Go ahead and position that lip up under the groove and insert the screw in the screw hole and secure the Phillips screw. And again, take note, do your best not to strip this Phillips screw. And that cover plate is properly secured. Next, carefully re-secure the cover plate or lens. And if you can reach it, be careful. We will grab the plug and plug it back in. Let's hop off the ladder safely. Back to the wall-mounted opener and closer push-button unit. It is 38 degrees Fahrenheit here, pretty chilly. Let's go ahead and push the close button. And this garage door is pretty loud. I do need to lubricate it. Okay, the garage door is working properly and all is good. Quick, friendly DIY project. That's it, YouTubers. See a quick, friendly DIY project of replacing the battery. From here, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. Thanks again for watching.